Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and our email address is Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. You can have classes with us. You can either have class over the telephone or in person. To have class over the telephone, you would call us in WhatsApp. So call us in WhatsApp, give us a WhatsApp call to have class over the telephone. Class may be from half an hour or longer. Classes by telephone can be reading, PEP, or any grade of primary or prep school. So reading for adults, teenagers, or children. So you can have reading for adults, teenagers, or children by telephone classes. Or you can have PEP classes or classes for any grade of primary or prep school. Classes for telephone classes cost $2,000 per month. That's $2,000 per month. So telephone classes cost $2,000 per month, and you can pay for it at our Jamaica National account. Or you can have class in person. To have class in person, we can either go to your location or you can come to us in Portmore. To go to your location, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it by our Jamaica National Bank account number. Or to have class with us, you would have class in Portmore on a Saturday. Classes last for 3 hours, either from 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. That class as in other persons. So to have class with us, you will come to us in Portmore on a Saturday from either between 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. And the class costs $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. You are also encouraged to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with answers for only $4,000. That's only $4,000. You will receive the test by email. Pay Pay for it at any branch island-wide of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402. That's account number 0011114402. Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Sharp. Send me take take a photograph of your receipt and send it to me through WhatsApp as proof of your payment. You will see the test the day after you pay for them. Email me from the email address that you would like to get the test to. So email me at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com from the email address that you would like to get the test sent to, and I will email the test to that email address. So remember that that Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, And our email address remains as Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summit Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This question is question number 70 out of 150 questions. This question asks 7 plus 2 tenths plus 5 hundredths plus 608,000 is equal to, and the choices are A. 622 over 1,110. B. 7.8558. C. 7.25608. D. 7 and 6 over 613 over 1,110. Again, the question and choices are 7 plus 2 tenths plus 5 hundredths plus 608,000 is equal to, and the choices are A. 622 over 1,110. B. 7.858. C. 7.25608. D. 7 and 6 7 and 613 over 1,110. Do you know about decimal fractions? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and choices. Then I will read the answer and then explain my answer. 7 plus 2 tenths plus 5 hundredths plus 608 thousandths is equal to, the choices are 622 over 1110, B 7.858, C 7.25608, D 7 and 613 over 1110. Now for the answer. 7 plus 210 plus 5 over 100 plus 608 over 1000. 210 plus 500 plus 608,000. Find the LCM. The LCM is equal to 1000. 2 times 100 over 10 times 100 plus 5 times 10 over 100 times 10 plus 608 over 1000. 200 over 1000 plus 50 over 1000 plus 608 over 1000 equal to 200 plus 50 plus 608 equal 858. 858 over 1000. Divide 858 by 1000. That is equal to, move the point, that is equal to 0.858. 858 over 1000 is equal to 0.858. Include the whole number 7. Answer is equal to 7.858. Answer B. Answer is equal to 7.858. Answer is equal to B. Now I will explain my answer. 7 plus 2 over 10 plus 5 over 100 plus 608 over 1000. First, add the fractions. 2 over 10 plus 5 over 100 plus 608 over 1000. Find the LCM. The LCM of 10, 100, and 1000 is 1000 because 100 and 10 can both go into 1000 without leaving a remainder. Again, the LCM of 10, 100, and 1000 is 1000 because 10 and 100 can both go into 1000 without leaving a remainder. Okay, next, change the denominators to 1000. All three denominators should be 1000. All three denominators should be 1000. You multiply 10 by 100 to make it 1000. So if you multiply the denominator by 100, you have to also multiply the numerator by 100. If you multiply the denominator by 100, you also have to multiply the numerator by 100. So 2 over 10 becomes 2 times 100 over 10 times 100. 2 times 100 is 200. 10 times 100 is 1000. So that becomes 200 over 1000. 2 over 10 becomes 200 over 1000. Next, 5 over 100. You multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10 because you multiply 100 times 10 to make it 1000. 100 times 10 make 1000. So if you multiply the denominator by 10, you have to also multiply the numerator by 10. If you multiply the denominator by 10, you have to also multiply the numerator by 10. So 100 times 10 is equal to 1000, and 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Again, 100 times 10 is equal to 1000, and 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So 5 over 100 becomes 50 over 1000. 5 over 100 becomes 50 over 1000. 608 over 1000 remains the same. 608 over 1000 remains as it is. So the new fractions are 200 over 1000 plus 50 over 1000 plus 608 over 1000. Again, the new fractions are 200 over 1000 plus 50 over 1000 plus 608 over 1000. Let's add. Keep the denominator 1000 and add the numerators. Keep the denominator 1000 and add the numerators. So we will add 200 plus 50 plus 608. Let's add 200 plus 50 plus 608. 200 plus 50 plus 608 gives 858. 200 plus 50 plus 608 is 858. Put 858 over 1000. Put 858 over 1000. Now let's divide 858 by 1000. This is a decimal fraction, so we move the point. 1000, this is a decimal fraction because it ends with 1000. It ends with a multiple of 10. So we can move the point. You move the point the same amount of zeros that you have in the number. You move the point the same amount of zeros that you have in the number. There are 3 zeros in the number 1000, so you move the point 3 times. The point is at the back. The point is at the back. When you don't see the point, it's at the back. So you move the point 3 times because there are 3 zeros in 1000 and the point is at the back. You move the point 3 times from the back. So move the point from after the 8. The point now moves in front of the 8 3 times. So the point goes from the behind the 8, the second 8, to in front of the first 8. So you move the point from behind the second 8 to in front of the first 8. So that becomes 858 becomes 0.858. 858 becomes 0.858. Again, 858 becomes 0.858. So 858 over 1000 becomes 0.858. 858 over 1000 becomes 0.858. Include the whole number, the 7. We cannot forget about the 7 that was there at the beginning of the fraction. The whole number that was there, the whole number that we did not add because we have just been adding the fractions. So now we include the whole number, the 7, in the answer. So we put the whole number in front of the decimal. So that becomes 7.858. That becomes 7.858. That becomes 7.858. So the answer becomes 7.858. Answer B. Answer 7.858. Answer B. Answer 7.858. Answer B. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
have your child prepare for the grade 3 diagnostic test, the grade 4 literacy test, the numeracy test, and GSAT and PEP all in one. Remember that GSAT and PEP are both basically the same thing. The exams are structured differently, but the topics are basically the same thing. In PEP, they will still be doing mathematics, language arts, science, social studies, and composition and writing. So you can use this test to prepare for PEP as well, and they are suitable for the grade 3 diagnostic test, the grade 4 literacy test, and the grade 4 numeracy test. Remember that GSAT starts in grade 4 also, and the PEP also starts in grade 4. Don't forget that. So start preparing from grade 4, okay? Start preparing from now. Start preparing from before grade 4. Receive 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests, 10 of each of the 5 GSAT subjects: mathematics, language arts, communication tasks, social studies, and science, with answers and explanations, all conveniently delivered island-wide by email. The full package costs just $4,000. Payments should be made island-wide to any branch of Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name is Richard Sharp. Notify me when payments are made to receive your package. Telephone, and this is a WhatsApp number. This number uses WhatsApp, 353-4752, or email me at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Send me your email. Send me an email when you make payments. Send me an email from the email address that you would like the test sent to. The emails the test sent to. So send me an email after you have made payments. Send me an email from the email address that you would like the test sent to, and in that way I will know the email address that you would want me to send it to. The test will be emailed to you the day after payment is made. Go ahead, write down that account number right now. The Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Sharp. Write down that account number right now and make your payment right now to receive your test, and be ready for PEP, GSAT, grade 3 diagnostic test, grade 4 literacy test, or grade 4 numeracy test. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is Social Studies Part 2, when I upload Social Studies Part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded Social Studies Part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.